Hello from Freeport, Illinois. This is Mrs. Slater teaching first grade at Jones-Farrar on the computer. We're going to go ahead and read Curious George Plants a Seed. Thank you and permission from Scholastic. They are the PBS Kids show, and this is called Plants a Seed. Man in the Yellow Hat is played by Mrs. Slater, and George is played by Claire Slater. All right, get to your spot. Jumpy Squirrel was very busy. George was curious. Let's see your curious face. What was Jumpy doing? Bill, the boy next door, told George Jumpy buries acorns and nuts. Claire points to Jumpy. He stores them in the ground. He can dig them up later when he is hungry. That gave George an idea. George buried the orange juice. George buried the orange juice. George buried the butter. George buried the bread. He was glad to find a spot to go ahead and store all his food. When the man in the yellow hat came home, the fridge was empty. Where was all the food?
I ate it all.
George proudly pointed and showed his friend what he had been up to. George, orange juice and bread are not for burying, the man in the yellow hat said. They cannot be stored in the ground. His friend George showed the peanut with the sprout. George was puzzled. How did a peanut have a sprout? Well, this peanut grew into a plant, the man said. Seeds and nuts grow from the ground if they are not eaten first. Claire, show him how you're confused. Show him your confused face. Then George thought he understood. Could a little peanut become a plant? Claire, what would a rubber band become? Go get a rubber band. What would a feather become? George dug lots of holes. He's digging holes. Show him you digging holes. Putting the chair in. Put the umbrella in. He buried lots of things. Soon the house was empty. The man in the yellow hat was surprised. That's the boy next door. He came over. George, umbrellas are not for burying. George, chairs are for burying in the house. The man with the yellow hat explained that many things are for people. They're not going to grow. Seeds and nuts will grow. A few days later, George saw something in the yard.
I'm watching.
It was a sprout. George, here's your sprout. Let me see your surprise face. George, look. The seed that you buried is going to be growing. I wonder what it's going to be. Soon there was a beautiful sunflower in the yard. George had a green thumb after all. And the really neat thing about the PBS Kids is usually after the show or the book, there's activities that you can do. So this one's going to teach you how to do a seed of your own in a bag. You're going to go ahead and get either sunflowers or beans, wet down the paper towel. You can put a couple in, zip it up, and it goes in your window. And you can do your own science journal about how your seed's going. The activity at the very end is really kind of cool. It's a scientist in action, so you can see it. You're going to ask a grown-up to go ahead and cut the end of a piece of celery, and you're going to pick what food color you want to use in the cup of water. Stick your celery in it with the leaves at the top, and look about it in an hour and see what happens. check on it overnight, and then in the morning, you're gonna have a parent help you cut it in half, and it'll talk to you about how you can see how the celery pulls up the color to the leaves, just like the plants pull on up. This is Mrs. Slater, and we really miss and love you. Tell us your stories and pictures.
I don't know.